Hi everyone, I'm Justin Bruns, Associate Concertmaster of the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra, and I'm excited to give you a little tutorial today on how to play Ode to Joy from Beethoven's Symphony No. 9 as part of the great ASO Play Along project. I'll be playing the intermediate part for the violin, or really the part for any instrument that reads treble clef. I'm going to give you some quick tips to use while you're practicing and preparing to record your part. We want to make sure that we're all playing at the same pitch and same speed so we can bring everything together in the end for the finished video. Let's tune our instruments to A440 and put our metronomes to 132 beats per minute. We're going to need to play our part along with the metronome during the recording, which is an incredibly pivotal part of this recording process. However, we don't want any bit of the metronome beeping to be picked up on the recording. So connect your headphones or your earpods to the metronome device. My first tip to you is to go ahead and use the metronome a lot while you're practicing so that you become very comfortable playing along with it. My second tip is to make markings in your part before recording it. Know your key signature and everything that goes along with it. This piece is in D major. D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. In our particular part, we only encounter the F sharp, which is a half step below the next pitch above it, G natural. The second thing to mark ahead of time are your fingerings. I don't write a fingering above every note I play, but I certainly do it when I have to shift between positions. This is really good to keep in mind because I think we need to play this whole passage on the A string and not the E string. When you think about this opening of the theme in the symphony, there's something so hushed but excited about it, and we can really capture that feeling on the A string. The E string's too bright, too easy, too obvious. We're gonna have to use the third and fourth positions on the A string to make this happen. And let me show you how I've marked it on the first line of my part. I put the first fingering that I need along with the bow, which is down. After that, I mark my half steps, and anytime I have to go between one position or another. My last tip for you is to practice the music slowly and under tempo, one block of music at a time, like one bar or 2 bars, maybe 4 bars if you're advanced. I even practice my shifts back and forth a number of times. Find those spots in the part that are difficult to maneuver and take your time getting to know them. Building your comfort and confidence level is the goal. I want you to be able to go for it and give it your all in the recording. This piece is so exuberant, we should have a great time playing it. With that in mind, I'm gonna go ahead and play our part. Feel free to follow along in your music or play along with me. I have my metronome set to 132 already. I'm gonna count off 4 beats before I start. 1, 2, ready, go. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that these tips have been helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Happy practicing, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, take care.